Spillage, stickiness, dirty hands. Guesswork, disposal, pollution. We're tired of scooping hard. We scoop for fitness, we scoop for baby, we scoop for cooking. We scoop so much, it's time we found a way to scoop easy. That's why we designed ZoopScoop, a stylish, reusable scoop that does it cleaner, smarter, and greener. So whether you scoop for gym, baby, or food, the ZoopScoop works with all powder types from protein, baby formula, flour, and even coffee. The ZoopScoop doesn't spill, it reaches the bottom, it measures a month, and it changes with our needs. Its sleek design makes the ZoopScoop a stylish gym or baby accessory and an elegant kitchen appliance in one. What's more, an estimated 3.1 billion single-use plastic scoops end up in landfills every single year. Apart from being robustly reusable, the ZoopScoop is 100% recyclable. Let's dive right in and show you how ZoopScoop is unlike any other scoop on the market. An extendable handle helps you reach further and deeper into the container. A sealable lid means you can carry your measured powder around with you. A no-spills, zero-waste funnel ensures every scoop is dispensed with precision. A patent-pending swipe dispenser and rotating handle puts you in complete control. Dispense exactly what you need, only where you need it. And finally, measuring lines on the side of the scoop make it easy to get perfect powder volume. No waste, better economics, easy. We're on a mission to rid the world of single-use plastic scoops. Your support will enable us to manufacture the first small army of our game-changing ZoopScoops. We're just getting started. We pledge to continue developing products that are cleaner, smarter, and greener than anything else on the planet. The scoop is just the beginning, and by backing us, you're backing a movement. Apart from financial backing, we're looking for powder companies to partner with us to drive change at scale. So if that's you, please get in touch. However you scoop, whatever your goals, we've designed the ZoopScoop to make you scoop happy, bringing a little joy to every single scoop. So don't do it hard, do it ZoopScoop, because easy does it.